First go to Play Store, then here you type Microsoft Office. As soon as you type Microsoft Office, you will get the option of install. If it is already installed in your phone, you will get the option of update. Just don't update it, come back. If you have installed it, you will get an icon like this above. You can see this red color one. This is Microsoft Office app that is installed on my phone. Clicking on it, soon as you click, you will get downside home plus button. Click on the plus button, you will get option of notes, lens and documents. Click on documents, and the documents you have Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint. Since we are dealing with Word now, click on the third option, blank document under Word. As soon as you click, you will get a page like this where you can start typing. Okay, whatever you want to type, you can type, and you can increase the size also. Just click it, and here you will get a small arrow. You can see small arrow button is there. Click on that arrow button. As soon as you click it, you get the option of calibrate. Whatever font you want, you can just change the height, you can change the color. Okay, you can make it bold using the B button, or italic or underline, whatever your various options are there under this. You can select. Then when you click on the home button, on the left side you will get an option of insert under home. Click on insert. Since we are dealing with tables, click on the table button. A table will get inserted in your phone. So automatically it will have 3 rows and 3 columns. You can increase or decrease the rows and column as and when you want. First thing we will do is we'll select the first row, click on the first cell and drag this arrowhead. Then under table you have various options. Select merge cell option first. You click on merge cell, then you can start typing here. Just click, use your finger and start typing. Use this pencil, you will get the keyboard. We will make a timetable. We don't want the italic one, so just remove it, and we don't want underline also, remove it. Time, space, table. We want it in the center, so just click before the first one and press the space bar. It will come in the center. Now here we want, suppose, day subject slash. Okay, you can type whatever you want. Day subject, under day we will write down Tuesday, and under subjects we will write down whatever subject you have, suppose English or Telugu. You can increase and decrease the number of rows and columns. Use this on the leftmost side. We are having this. You can add rows, add columns, increase, decrease the number of rows and columns, whatever options you want you can use from here. So right now we want to increase the rows, so I'm clicking on this second figure. Okay, Tuesday. Now wherever you want to type, just take your finger there and click Tuesday. Then you have class on Thursday, and then Saturday. Subjects you have here, you write down periods. So first period, here you write down second period. Like this you can increase the columns also. Third, like this you can go on writing. Wherever you want to type, just put your finger there. You will get the arrowhead. Start typing whatever subjects you have, you write. And if you want to change the color of the text, Or if you want to put this table styles, here down under table you have various options. Click on table styles button, you have various styles down. Select whichever is your favorite table style. Okay, and then here if you want to remove anything, use this backspace key, or just select the text and click spacebar, it will go away. Okay, so for saving the document, above you have this one document 37 which is written there. This one you can change it. How? Just by clicking on that, click on document, it will be highlighted. Now change it to computer project, computer project. Okay, then click on this tick mark